This is the story of an instructor. His name is Havaldar Nair, and he was our instructor in missiles, armament and missiles. We have light tanks called BMPs, and we fire missiles from that. And becoming a missile gunner is a great achievement. So becoming a missile pilot takes a lot of hard work. You have to do a lot of simulator firing. You do thousands of hours of thousands of launches in the simulator, and only then, after you have cleared a certain level, you are allowed to fire a live missile, because a live missile is extremely expensive. There was a very close friend of mine who was doing the course with me, and he was extremely good. He was very good in his simulator. He was very good in pretty much every aspect of the gunnery course. And for the final day, he was heading to be the top grade. We go to these firing ranges in Ahmednagar, KK ranges as they are known. These tanks are lined up, the missiles are loaded on it, and the controlling officer is put everyone on their respective tanks. And then he says, okay, report when ready. My friend is in the last BMP, and when he is told to fire, he presses the trigger and the missile misfires. In this particular case, you can say the average of a missile misfiring may be 1 in 10,000, but that happened to my friend. That 1 in 10,000 happened to my friend. So this officer was very, very dejected, and as we all went to the control with our missile cases in our hand, the instructor came to my friend. He saw he was so disappointed and so sad that the commandant said that from my group. And now my friend is the only person left to fire. New tank is brought, new launcher is kept over there just in case of the malfunctioning of the launcher. The new missile is placed on the launcher, and he says, okay, Alpha 1, report when ready. Says, Alpha 1 ready to fire, sir. Fire at your own will. And he presses the trigger, and the second missile misfires. Now, one missile misfiring for one officer could be a chance 1 in 10,000. 2 missiles misfiring for the same officer is a chance in millions. And when this officer is completely dejected, he knows he is not going to pass out of that course with a missile pilot. Not his fault. Not at all his fault. That's the time Ustad Nair puts his hand on the shoulder of this officer and gives him a lesson that I want to share with you, and I hope you will carry with you through your life. He tells him, Saab, हर एक की किस्मत में, हर एक की जिंदगी में कुछ मिसफायर मिसाइल लिखे हुए। ये लिखा हुआ है कि कुछ आपके मिसाइल मिसफायर होंगे। आपके दोनों मिसफायर ट्रेनिंग में खत्म हो गए, जंग के मैदान में। Each time you are defeated, you fail to achieve an objective, you are not able to get what you want. Remember, a little bit of bad luck, a little bit of bad bread is there in everybody's life. If that bad luck goes away in college, it goes away when the stakes are low, it goes away when nothing earth-shattering is going to happen, then it's good that you have used up your bad luck.